Χαίρετε. Μας βρήκατε. Τώρα είμαστε λίγο live, Κανένα πρόβλημα. Καλό κάνουμε, κακό δεν κάνουμε. Με μεγάλη χαρά. Γιατί, τι έχετε... Να σου πω, έχουμε καμιά έκπληξη εδώ μέσα κάπου. Κάτι μας περιμένει εδώ πίσω είναι. Πάμε πάνω. Ναι, θα πάω εγώ μπροστά.
Είναι μικρά πολύ.
Λοιπόν, πάμε, περιμένετε να πάω εγώ μπροστά. Πάμε. Τίνα. Κάτσε να δω αν έχει νερό εδώ. Είναι μια κατούλα που ταΐζει. Ψιψίνα. Έλα αγάπη μου. Hello my friends, good evening, good afternoon. Hey Ψιψίνα. Τι είναι αγάπη μου? You are free and happy. Yeah? You are free and happy. This boy is free and happy. He's waiting for me every day. I give food and water. He was very wild at first, but now he's calm and I think that he's too calm now, and I think I'm gonna take him in the shelter. But at first I have to vaccinate him. He has to be vaccinated first, and after I have to take him. He's drinking water from here. I give food and water all the time. And he is free around here. For the moment I don't take him because he will get sick in the shelter. In the big area with the cats. The guys, they found two dogs, two puppies. And they are for a holiday. They are for a holiday in my city and they found two puppies. And there is nobody else to help at the moment, so I will take the puppies. Come, let's go a little down, please. Rudy! Be careful, Rudy. Ναι, εδώ είμαστε. Τα κορίτσια θα... Όπως είσαι Σταμάτα. Ναι, εδώ δεν έχει, εδώ δεν περνάει αυτοκίνητα, δεν έρχονται εδώ. So the two guys, they are for a holiday here, and they found two puppies in the road. How it happens? In the road. He was driving in front of the car. So it was a risk to hit it was a risk to hit. It was a big risk. The guy said it was a big risk to hit the puppies with the car. Let's open the door. Somebody has to take the puppies. They are big enough, yeah? Oh my God! They are so beautiful. Look at those puppies. Αδερφάκια είναι. Είναι λερωμένα είναι. Βλέπεις εδώ, δεν είναι δηλαδή από σπίτι.
Μικρά δεν είναι όμως.
Παιδιά, δεν τα σκοτώσαμε για ένα δευτερόλεπτο.
Σοβαρά μιλάς?
Ναι, ναι.
Ναι, αφού μιλάμε δηλητηριάστηκαν, δεν έχουν γεύση.
The guy say that it was so close in a second to kill the puppies. They was so lucky. If it was 1 second different, they will be dead from the car. But they stopped the car immediately and the puppies was lucky. Hey. Είχε σπίτια εκεί που τα βρήκατε?
Πιο κάτω είχε ένα συνεργείο.
Να, κατάλαβα από τα χωράφια.
Συνεργείο, χανιωτάκι, κάπου. Πόσο είναι, μικρά είναι αυτά?
Μικρά είναι.
Μηνών.
The puppies they are about the puppies they are about 3 months old. 3 months old, 3.5. These puppies, when they will be vaccinated, they will be ready to be adopted in about 40 days from now. Σε 40 μέρες από τώρα, με 2 εμβολιάκια, ράπης 21 μέρες πριν και... θέλουνε σκουλικάκια ίσως θα έχουνε. Τίποτα. They are hacking, look. They are hacking. Look, they are so happy to see people. Look at this. And they are clean. Somebody had them before. Somebody had them. Maybe they throw them there in the road. And the puppies. Ναι. The guys, they say that they were searching around if they saw more puppies, but they didn't. Okay, so this is an update about our Saturday here. Our relaxing Saturday. No problem. No pain, no gain in life. No pain, no gain. So it's we don't have a siesta, but we save 2 more lives. 2 babies. And thank you to you that you stop and you was interesting to find a way to help. You didn't leave them in the road.
Με τίποτα.
Okay. So now we go. I have to go offline now. Περιμένετε, μην φύγετε. So my friends, I have to go now. We have to sort out the puppies where to put them. So this is an update, a live update about 2 puppies we rescued. They are boys or girls? I see.
Boys. I think boys.
No, this is a girl. This is a girl. And this is a girl also. 2 beautiful girls. 2 beautiful girls. They're amazing. So this, από πού είσαστε?
Καρδίτσα.
From Karditsa, North Greece. For a holidays here, For a holidays. The guys are from Karditsa, North Greece. And here are the 3 volunteers. This is Emily from England. Georgia from Italy. Ciao. Natasha from Belgium. So bye-bye from all of us. Γεια σας. We have to find a solution where to put the puppy. So we say bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Μπράβο ρε παιδιά, μπράβο.